Grocery day ko na naman, and I'm alone dahil yan ang bigat. Dahil yung mga kids, meron silang ginagawa. Sabi nila, Mommy, we don't want to go. So, yan, mag-isa lang si mother. Lagay ko yan dyan. I don't know. Hindi ko ma-open yung likod dahil nga ang daming gamit din dyan. So, I cannot place the grocery dito dahil yan. Stock for 1 week or 2 weeks. Ewan ko kung ano yan. Kaya yan sa 2 weeks. Let me place this. Diyan lang siguro. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilagay ang phone ko dahil I'm gonna add lagay ko yung mga gamit. So this is how life in America. Lahat sa'yo, di ba? Medyo mabigat ito dahil merong mga glass. Bumili kasi ako ng yung juice na naka-glass siya. Kaya mabigat. So heavy. This usually Friday is not my grocery day. Kaso lang wala na, ubos na. Ang sasakyan ko kasi ay nako, ang bigat. So heavy. Ang sasakyan ko kasi nito, it was in the service for 3 days dahil pinalitan yung brake pads, pinalitan yung we top up the brake fluids and everything, pinalitan. Kaya I don't have a car for 3 days. Kaya naubos yung mga grocery sa bahay. Okay, so meron silang binili ko kanina. This is really really nice. Kasi yung anak kong lalaki gusto niya mag-burger. Sabi ko, sige, I'm gonna get yung chuck and brisket kasi maganda. So this is, I got Angus beef na burger patties. I don't eat beef. Sila lang. Nag-workout din ako kanina. So, doble. This is double workout for me. Okay. Yan. So, everything is put. Yan. Yan. Bumili ako ng ito. Country style. Buti meron silang stock. Minsan nauubos to eh. So, that's how life is. My life. Ito, yung nila, yung cart. Wala na akong time na ibalik doon. So, I'm just gonna leave it here. Kung sinong walang quarter, kasi may quarter yan. Oh. So, makuha mo yung quarter mo pag binalik mo doon. But anyways, ang dami ko namang quarter yan. I-donate ko na lang. And, I'm gonna go home. At magluto. It's because Kion will be having meron silang parang vacation Bible school mamaya. So I'm gonna bring the kids. May meron akong i-carpool dahil yung mother, she doesn't drive. So I'm gonna do my cooking early, lunch and dinner, and then fetch the kids, bring them to vacation Bible school, and maybe we'll be back. It's 6:30 kasi yun hanggang 8:30, and then bring the kids, yung anak ng ka-church namin, then I'm gonna go back home. Yun, so it will be a long afternoon a long evening mamaya. So yun na guys, it's just a short clips. See you. Bye for now. Drive na ako ha. Okay, bye.